Hey, this is Ryan, and in part 2 of this tutorial we will aggregate our data. So we'll aggregate the sensor data from the Unicorn fleet in real time. The application will read from the Amazon Kinesis stream, calculate the total distance traveled, and minimum and maximum health and magic points for each unicorn currently on a wild ride. Output these statistics to the Amazon Kinesis stream every minute. We'll use the Amazon Kinesis data analytics application, source and destination Amazon Kinesis streams, and the producer and consumer command line clients. We'll need another Kinesis stream. So let's go to Kinesis in AWS, go to data streams, and create a new data stream. Call this wild ride summary. One chart again, create data stream. These are our attributes: status time, distance, whatever magic attributes, health points. So let's start at emitting our sensor data to the stream. So cloud9 dot dash producer. Okay, we're emitting our data. So our application should auto detect our schema. This time let's go to analytics applications. We want to create an application. Call this wild rides. Okay, so I don't think we touch anything else here. We're going to use SQL as our runtime so we can query our data. So let's do create application. Alright, now select connect streaming data and choose a Kinesis data stream. So we want wild rides. That's our first data stream we initially created. Scroll down to discover schema. Schema discovery successful. Alright, so we have distance, health points, latitude, longitude, magic points, name, and status time. Okay, save and continue. Now if we go to Sql Editor, we can query our data real time. So start application. Okay, I think it's ready, so we'll copy this SQL query, paste all of that in here, and select the save and run SQL. So each minute, we'll see rows arrive containing the aggregated data. So here's the first row, and this is how we are grouping the data. So we have the row time, the name, status time, distance, the magic data, and the health data. We select destination and connect to a destination. It shows we'll continuously deliver SQL results to AWS destinations. The limit is 3 destinations for each application. So connect to destination. We'll keep Kinesis data stream and we'll choose wild rides summary. So this is where we're sending our aggregated data. Okay, for the in application stream, select destination SQL stream. Keep this as JSON. And save and continue. Alright, step 3, read messages from the stream. Use the command line consumer to view messages from the Kinesis stream to see the aggregated data being sent every minute. Okay, so let's go to a new terminal. Let's copy this. So consumer, stream, wild ride summary. And I guess it'll probably take 1 minute for the first piece of data to come through. So I'll wait 1 minute. Alright, here is our first results. So it seems to match the tutorial. So we have our name, status, time, distance, and everything that we aggregated from before, so that looks great. That is it for step 3. probably it for this tutorial, but if we go to step 4, it says experiment with the producer. So if we stop and start the producer while watching the dashboard and the consumer, start multiple producers with different unicorn names. So if we started multiple producers, we would see multiple unicorns in the outputs. So here, this would be the different names, Shadowfax and Bucephalus. And I think I'll just skip that for now. It's pretty straightforward. So we'll move on to Module 3, and Module 3 will be the next video.